So let's see today's Matarchi Usal. So here I've heated about a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds or mohori or rye. Once the mohori begins to splutter, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of jeera seeds or cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of hinga or asafoetida, and half a teaspoon of haldi powder or turmeric powder. Next, I'm going to add one light green chilli that I've just chopped up fine. Next goes in about 2 cloves of garlic that I've chopped fine. 1 medium-sized onion chopped fine. Now we're going to mix all of this very, very well so that the onions get nicely fried. This is a really super simple and really quick dish. And now here I have about a cup of green peas, fresh green peas. And just add that and just mix everything nicely together. So this usal can be had with chapati, puri. And now we're just going to cover and cook this for about 5 minutes, stirring in between. So this way the peas will get cooked. And now we're just going to add a little bit of flavor. So we're going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of kitchen king masala, which is easily available in stores, and it really adds lovely flavor to all usals and vegetables, a little bit of it. Now I'm just going to add about 1/4 cup of water. Mix everything together. And the green peas cook really, really fast. Now I'm going to add some salt to taste, a pinch of sugar. Again, mix everything well. Just cover and cook this for about 5 minutes on a low to medium flame, and that's it, friends. Your usal is all ready. A very super simple and delicious recipe.
Friends, I hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.